Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in your Buick Lacrosse key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will get your key fob working like new again in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test your key fob immediately to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, are working correctly. If not, double-check the battery orientation. Also, remember to check the description below for a fantastic deal on an Owala water bottle and other helpful links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.